stage 2 or 3 front splitter. It comes with no winglets or deflectors. So some of the options are the S2 winglets, which will bolt up on the side using mounting bolts. We also have a stage 3 deflector. This particular one is for a Z06 or a Grand Sport car. We do have a similar version for a Stingray for the narrow body cars. Another option would be the undertray version of the splitter. This is mostly reserved for racing guys. The great advantage of this splitter is it's got a full undertray. This is done to improve aerodynamics. It also makes the part a lot more resistant. So you'll notice the edge of the splitter is smooth. This is done so it can glide over driveways or cones or curbs. But also it will accelerate the air, keep it laminar as it flows under the car. So it's got great cooling ducts on the side, the fins with extra mounting points. This gets mounted the same holes that holds the stage 1 Z06, in addition to the frame bolts in the back.